Nasa Timog Avenue, Quezon City ako para sa isa na namang pageant ganap. So this is the Luxent Hotel dito sa may Timog Avenue, Quezon City. Ayan, nandito tayo sa Luxent Hotel sa Timog Avenue, Quezon City. Bali magko-cover tayo ng Miss Earth Press Conference for 2025. So ayan. Bali, representative tayo ni Sir Nolly Beryoso ng OPND Worldwide. Toilet muna tayo. Tapos na ako mag-toilet, punta na tayo sa 5th floor daw. Doon gaganapin yung event. Manalamin muna tayo habang naghihintay ng elevator. Nasa 5th floor na ako. Dito na tayo. Mr. 24 Queens Manila. Media Conference. Need ko muna mag-register bago makapasok sa loob. Sa loob tayo. It's the Miss Earth 2024 Queens Media Conference here at Luxent Hotel in Timog Avenue, Quezon City. Bago magumpisa ang press conference ay pinakain muna kami. So ito na yung mga pagkaing nakuha ko. Kaya let's eat na bago magumpisa ang event.
A few moments later.
Everybody, hello! I'm Joy Marcova, Miss Philippines Earth 2025, and it is my distinct honor and privilege to have witnessed beauty, grace, and purpose right here on this very stage this afternoon. And it's my honor to welcome our esteemed guests for this afternoon, the Miss Earth 2024 Queens.
At nagumpisa na ang press conference ng mga Miss Earth 2024 Queens at in-interview na sila. Nagkaroon din ng pagkakataon ng mga pageant media na tanungin sila.
Ladies, we do hope that you will always consider Philippines as your second home. An appreciation for being here, for sharing with us your presence, and please do join us. Mark your calendars on November 5, 2025 for the grand coronation night and the silver lining anniversary of Miss Earth International.
She's the woman of the earth, spreading secret love and love.
Ayan, so tapos na event namin dito sa Luxent Hotel ng press conference ng mga Miss Earth 2024 Queens, yung mga nanalo last year kasi mag-i-start na yung pang 2025 edition. John Ray, uwi na tayo.
Bye!
Salamat sa Luxent Hotel, Miss Earth Organization, Carousel Production for this event. Bye, good night.